Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a very interesting item, which in my opinion is, is something that I haven't seen and I haven't actually thought it exists. A couple of weeks back, I received an email from Japan from a guy called Misaki from the company BELLEMOND. And he had asked me whether I'd like to test one of their products, and upon checking it, I found that it is pretty interesting gadget, and it can be used not only for your fishing items, but it can be applied to many other surfaces. So what is it? It is called a samurai coating, and it is an advanced Japanese made glass coating suitable for a wide range of products such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, fishing gear, smartwatches, game consoles, and many more. So without any further ado, let's open it up and have a look what's inside. Of course, well, as you can see, everything over here is written in Japanese language, which I don't really understand, but let's hope that the instruction will be in English. So inside of the box we've got this little spray, and also we've got an instruction which is written in English, which is pretty good, and we've got 2 pieces of cloth. So that's basically it, and I've actually already prepared 2 of my reels. This one's a Casking Megatron, and this one's a Diver codec. If you'll ask me which one I prefer, this one or this one, I would definitely tell you that the codec is much better than the Megatron, in my opinion. But we're not here to talk about the reels, we're here to talk about the item. So if you'd like to check the price for the item, I'll put the links in the description, and also I'll put the link for the Casking Megatron and the codec reel. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually clean one of my reels. Well, first of all, I'll clean the codec one, and then I'll do the same with the Megatron, and we will apply the coating to the reels and have a look whether it will prevent the reels from scratching, as it is stated within the description of the item. I've already prepared the reels, but I haven't cleaned them yet. But what I've decided to read the instruction first, because, well, when previously I've actually applied a couple of glass covers for my smartphone, because I haven't read the instruction, well, I had to buy the new one, and it happened to me a couple of times. So let's read the instructions carefully. So the first thing which you need to do, you need to remove the dirt from the glass surface with a tissue or similar. I'm gonna do it in a moment. Spray the coating solution onto the surface once or twice. Be careful not to get into the opening or speakers. Well, it is basically telling you if you are putting the coating on your phone or on a smartwatch, anywhere, then just be cautious. The third one, apply the coating solution evenly while spreading it well with the provided cloth. So with one of these, polish the surface with the other cloth provided until the surface becomes shiny. Well, we will test it out in a moment. Although the product is effective even after one application, it may be difficult to feel the effect when applying for the first time. In that case, please repeat the process from step 1 to 4 and apply 2 coats. 2 coats will make the effect more visible. Okay, well, we will apply 2 coats. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply them to those 2 reels, and I'm gonna take my mobile phone and I'll try to apply it to the mobile phone, and well, we will see the result. You've already seen the first part of the video, and I've actually wanted to redo the first one, which I've done because it was too long, about like 17 minutes long, so I wanted to shorten it. And also, I've already applied this spray to two of my phones, to the reel, and I was actually able to test it out myself, whether it works or not. So it's been like maybe 4 or 5 days since it has been applied to my phones, and there isn't a single new scratch on them. What I wanted to mention, that it does not repair your old scratches, but it actually protects your screens from the new ones. So I honestly love it, and in the past I was actually using those cover screens that you put on your phone, and those are made like from plastic, and yeah, those are actually protecting your screen also, but when, well, the fill on the phone isn't as good as with this one. So when reading the instruction, I've forgotten to mention a couple of things. If you'd like it to last for about 45 mobile phones, when applying it to the phone, you need to do only like 2 pushes, not 10, not 15, as I've done in the first video, because I haven't read the instruction till the end, but only 2. If it is an iPad with a big screen, then it might be like 3. So you apply it, then basically what you do, you take one cloth, you level it out on a surface, then you give it about a minute or 2 minutes to dry out, and then you polish it with another cloth. As simple as that. With the phone, you have to repeat the same process twice for it to be applied evenly and to work well, better than when you apply it for the first time. One other thing which I want to mention, that I'll put the link to this gadget, well, to this magical spray within the description, and from the 22nd of December till the 22nd of January, if you'll use the link below, you'll get 20% discount on this magical spray. So I'll just demonstrate you how easily it can be applied. So as you can see, like, that's my first phone, that's the second one, and I'm gonna apply it to this one, and I'm also gonna apply it to the watch. Okay, so how to do it? Well, you spray it first time and you spray it the second time. That's it. You don't need to do it more. So 2 times, then what you do, you just level it out on a surface. The surface becomes a bit blurry, and because, well, the spray needs to dry out, and after that you need to polish it. So it will dry out in about a minute or 2, and while it's drying out, I'll just put it here, I'll apply it to my watch. I've actually done all my kids' phones, my wife's phone, and everything that, well, every gadget at home that I wanted to prevent from scratching, because I've actually seen the result and I know it works. So I would definitely recommend it for everybody. Well, at least to test it out and try it out. It doesn't cost a lot, but, well, it is an amazing spray, honestly. Okay, so I'm not pretty sure whether a minute has passed. Let's give it another like 20 seconds. Then I'll polish this screen, polish that one. And if you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to put a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. So I think that the time has passed, and let's just polish it. As you can see, the screen is a little bit blurry. Don't be afraid, because when polishing it will become well, as new. I'll try to do it as fast as I can, because I really want this video to be short. I don't really want it to be about like 17 minutes as it was when I first done it. Okay, and yeah, and here it is. I might actually polish it a little bit more. Just trying to be as fast as I can in order to shorten the video. So that's it. Well, I've applied it for the first time, and I'll polish the watch also. And you need to do the same process for the second time, and basically it will definitely protect all of your screens. As you can see, shines, no scratches, pretty good stuff. I would definitely recommend it. And well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.